everyone, it's Carolyn. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to be filming this video today because I'm going to be showing you everything that I'm going to be putting in my kids' Easter baskets this year. I'm really proud of myself for getting my shopping done early so that I can share this video with you guys and give you a little bit of inspiration on what to put in your kids' Easter baskets this year too. So when I was shopping, I really tried to focus on things that I'd be getting for them anyways. That way I'm not filling their baskets with a ton of candy or cheap toys that they're probably not going to play with anyways. So let's get right in and see everything that is in these baskets. So the first thing that I got were some cups and water bottles for my kids. And I found these cute little bunny straw cups at the seasonal section in my grocery store, and I thought these would be perfect for Easter. And they come in pink and blue, so that is great since I have a boy and a girl. And then the next thing I bought were two of these Contigo water bottles, and I love these water bottles. My son has been drinking out of them for years. I got them on Amazon, so I can link them in the description box. My daughter doesn't have one, so I thought that I would definitely need to pick one up for her. And these are perfect since we have a pool, we have a huge backyard. We're going to be outside a lot in the upcoming months, so these are great to fill up with water so they always have it available if they get thirsty. Alright, the next thing that I picked up were some new hats for them. And they've definitely outgrown their hats from last summer, so I thought I'd pick them both up one. So for my son, I just got him this really traditional little boy's hat from the Gap. He's had this one before when he was younger, so I just bought it again because I just think it's so cute on him. And then for my daughter, I got her this cute purple unicorn hat. This one I got at Carter's, and this one I obviously got at the Gap. And then to go along with their hats, I got them each a pair of sunglasses. And these are both from Carter's. And I don't know if they're gonna wear them, but I thought, why not? I'll give it a try. So I got my son these bright red and blue ones, and my daughter these purple colorful ones. No, not purple, pink colorful ones. And these are both from Carter's as well. Then the next thing I got them were some lightweight pajamas. Right now they're both still sleeping in fleece pajamas because we live in New York and it's still really cold here. But it's going to be warming up soon, hopefully. So I got them each a pair of lightweight pajamas. I got these at the Gap. I just love the quality of their pajamas there. So I'm totally fine with spending a little bit more money for them. So I got my son these really cute Mickey Mouse pajamas and my daughter these bunny pajamas, which I thought would be perfect for her Easter basket. And then the next thing that I got were some bubbles. And I think in every kid's Easter basket, they have to have bubbles. I think it's a rule. Not really. But I found these at the dollar store, and I just thought these would be so cute and perfect for their Easter basket since they're little carrots. So these will be really fun to play with outside really soon. And then to go along with that, another thing I think everybody puts in their kids' Easter basket is chalk. So I saw these also at my grocery store, and I thought they were so cool because they are chalk sets, but they have these little holders for the chalk so that your fingers don't get chalk all over them. So I thought that that was interesting. So for my daughter, I got her this Disney Princess chalk set. And for my son, I got him a PJ Masks one, which is so perfect. He is just obsessed with the PJ Masks. PJ Masks, everything he is into. So I know he's gonna love these, and I know my daughter will love these, so we can be playing with these outside and hopefully not make a big mess and get chalk all over our hands. Then the next thing that I got were some books. And let's be honest, the books are actually a gift for me because we read books all the time in our house, so it does get sort of repetitive reading the same books over and over, so I thought I'd pick up some new ones just to break it up a little bit. So for my daughter, since she doesn't really care, I got her an Easter book just to be festive. So I got her this book. It's called Not Easy Being a Bunny. I got it on Amazon, so if you're interested, I'll link it in the description box. And then for my son, since again, he's really into PJ Masks, I got him this PJ Masks book, which is way bigger than I thought it would be, so I don't even think it's going to fit in his basket. But it's like a look and find book, so it's more of an activity book. He's really into those, so I know he's going to love this. And then lastly, it's not an Easter basket without a little bit of treats in it, so I had to include some. So obviously, they each get an Easter bunny, a chocolate Easter bunny. Every kid has to have one of these. So I bought these at the grocery store. They're small and they're hollow, so it's not a ton of sugar, but I thought they would both love having these. And then the last thing that I got were, they each get 2 packages of these Annie's fruit snacks. They love fruit snacks, and I thought that getting these bunny ones would be so cute and perfect for their Easter baskets. So they each get 2 packages, and if you'll notice, everything that I got is completely even, because if you have kids, you know you can't get something for one kid and not get it for the other kid. So no matter what I got one for my son and one for my daughter. They're different ages. My son is 3, my daughter's 1, but I still had to get them everything the same so that there's no arguments over who got the better Easter basket. So I hope that you guys got a lot of ideas on what to put in your kids' Easter baskets, some really good quality ideas that they're gonna use and they're gonna love. So give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and leave me a comment below if you have any other ideas to put in your kids' Easter baskets, because it's still 3 weeks away when this video is going up, so there's still plenty of time to run to the store and pick up anything that I might have forgotten. So I will see you on Thursday with a new video. Bye!